Hey guys, in this episode of Beardchanics Garage we are going to give you an update on all the mods on the S3. Alright, so we will continue from the all S3 mods so far video, so this will be part 2. So if you want to see all of the mods on it and you haven't yet, we'll put a link up there somewhere and in the description so you can watch it. Yep. And yeah, let's get done and see which mods have been done since.
Let's go have a look. We've been busy.
On the external, nothing has changed since the last video, apart from the carbon fiber mirror. We will put a video link in the description for those, so you can see what's up. And then most of the changes since last videos are underneath here. There you go. So first, the obvious, if you haven't seen the engine bay reveal, it's been heavily modified. Here actually you caught us at a time where we've just changing the styling of that from the skull. If you watch the reveal video here, it's a skull, but actually we've got a patina done in this style that will replace this. That's the washer bottle. Revo engine mount. On the other side in there somewhere you've got the transmission mount done as well. Airbox patina, duck patina with some good old Beardchanics branding. Subscribe if you haven't yet.
Absolutely.
Fuse box.
With battery cover, which looks particularly cool.
That's right. We've got some heat wrap. That's exhaust heat wrap, but it looks better. And we still have some gold around the turbo elbow. We've got heat wrap here as well. Brake fluid tank.
Yeah.
That has been gold wrap as well. Never know. Subscribe. Maybe this side is going to end up generating more heat. Maybe this is why we've done this.
Yeah.
Miltek downpipe. In there you won't see it, but over there in black, that's a Wagner front mount intercooler. Stage 2 map. TCU map. What else?
I'm trying to think.
Since last time.
Blow-off valve?
Oh, blow-off valve,
Yeah.
of course. Probably one of the best mod.
Yeah, that's a brilliant one.
This little guy down here. This is brilliant. That gives you the proper turbo noises.
Yeah, sounds great. Again, you've got the slider on here, so you can change how much noise it makes. But I imagine, like most people, you just have it on the maximum. So
Yeah,
best.
yeah. I actually put it slightly lower down, but here it's not max.
Oh, okay.
Well, if it's fully max, it's slightly brassy,
Right. Okay.
and I
Oh,
prefer
yeah,
it slightly less brassy.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think that's most of the mods, you know, guys.
Yeah. I
You
think
know,
so.
we've done you've seen the carbon trim on the indoor, but that is still not completed.
Yeah. You see us trying to fit it.
Yeah, the side panel for the central console, again, we have to readjust that or change them or whatever. We've got some fab work coming in for the engine bay.
Yes.
So, you know, that's going to be next level mod.
Yeah, it's gonna
No
be
more
something else.
bolt-ons.
That's going to be something else. All custom made job.
That's right. And we'll obviously bring you on the journey. But yeah, I mean, I think, you know, we done the video because it was requested. And yeah, I guess since the last time it went up from 300 on odd brake to like 400 brake horsepower, is now to 60, dropped by 1 second. So I guess not necessarily a lot of visual.
Yeah, nothing visual, but a lot of work actually done and put in. And again, the difference in performance is quite incredible.
Yeah, and I guess, you know, all the time to do all those plastic patina and all that jazz does take some time.
It does
Although
look better as well, doesn't it?
unfortunately here this has already cracked, which was a bit to be expected. But you can get nicer top for them.
Yeah.
So, you know, it's always a possibility to do that later. And there you go, guys. That's pretty much it for this one. So, you know, a useful one to know if you want to find out the prices of all the mods and what it will cost to do it to your own car. A lot less visual than in our first episode. But
Yeah, but there's been a lot more engine work and sort of in
exactly.
engine bay work. So, I mean, again, you can't see it, but this turns the car that was already an animal into an absolute beast. That stage 2 mod's something else.
Yeah. That's the downside of like performance mode. Sometimes it's just like you put an intercooler, you can't see it. The downpipe, you can barely see it. The performance, you can't really see it.
Yeah.
I guess the first mode were a lot more focused on like making the car look cool.
Yeah, look more aggressive.
Yeah.
Body kit and everything.
And now it's kind of like this year is going to be a lot more focus on. I mean, we're still going to do styling on the inside and stuff like that. You know, we will get those bloody carbon pieces put down eventually,
It will work.
one way or another. But a lot more coming for the engine bay. This year is going to be a lot more custom work rather than bolt-on. So, you know, stick around. There is some
There's some great
pretty
projects
cool
coming.
stuff and some things that I'm pretty sure are going to be world first on the platform.
Okay, that's it for today then. So like and subscribe if you haven't already. Keep following because there's loads of more modifications coming to this base.
Drop us a comment down below.
Yep. So yeah, see you in the next one then.
Bye.